Okay, in the last video, we looked at how to find the missing coordinates given the midpoint and one of the coordinates or one of the points. But in this video, we are going to look at how to find the distance between 2 points. So we have this example. Find the distance between AB such that A has the coordinates -1, 2, and B has the coordinates 3, 1. So the first thing that you are supposed to do, you can make a visualization of the information that you've been given by plotting on the Cartesian plane. So here we have the origin here, 0. Okay, let's plot the point A. Let's plot the point A. So point A, the x coordinate is -1. So this is 0. So as we go to the left, we're going to have -1 here. Okay? Then the y value, the y coordinate for A is actually -2. So as we go down from 0, the y-axis will be, you have -1 here, then -2 here. So now, how we are going to locate this point A, we are going to do this. We are going to do this. So here where the x and the y are intersecting, that's where point A is here, just here. So we have A here, which is -1, -2. So this is where A is. Now let's locate B as well. B, we have 3 in the x-axis. The x value is 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 here. We have 3 here. So I'm also going to do this. Okay. Then the y value is 1. So 1 is just right here. 1 is just right here. So we also do this. So where they're intersecting here, that's where B is. So you're going to say B is here, which is 3, 1. Like that. Now, for us to have a clear path of what AB is, we can just join these 2 points, A and B. We can just join these 2 points, A and B. So this is now the line AB, which they want us to find the distance. So they want us to find the distance, this distance AB. Okay. Now, for us to find the distance, we need to use a formula. There is a special formula that we use when finding the distance. So we're going to say D, standing for distance. D is equal to x2 minus x1, everything squared, like that, plus y2 minus y1, and again everything squared like that, and we are actually finding the square root of everything. The square root of everything. The square root of everything. So now, when you look at the point A and B, we don't have x1, the x1s, x1 and y1. We don't have y1 and y2. So what you are going to do, you are going to give each of the, you can choose to give point A as point 1. So you can say this is point 1, meaning you are going to have x1 as point A, and then y1 as point B. I mean, y1 and x1 and y1 in at point A. Okay, so this is point, choose, so meaning this one will be point 2. So point 2. meaning you're going to have x2 and y2. So it doesn't matter whichever you choose. If you want, you can even choose B as point 1, meaning you're going to have x1 and y1 in point B, and then this becomes point 2. So it doesn't matter which one you choose to be point 1 or point 2. You still get the same answer. Okay, so now we need to start replacing. Okay, we need to start replacing x2. So we go in point 2. X2 is this one. This is 3. So we have 3 minus x1 is -1. So -1. And then squared plus y2 is actually this one. So we have 1 minus y1 is -2. So we have -2. And everything squared. Okay. So now we can simplify what is in the square root symbol. So we have 3 negative. So when you have a negative and a negative number inside the brackets like this, so they are multiplying. So negative times negative will be positive, times 1 will be positive 1, like this, plus it's the same here. We have 1, negative times negative will be positive, then times 2 will be 2, and then squared, like that. Okay, so now things are becoming easier. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 4 squared plus 1 plus 3 is actually, 1 plus 2 is actually 3. And this is being squared like that. Okay, so 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared is 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25. So we have the square root of 25. Now the square root of what is the square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5. So we say 5 units. We say 5 units. So the distance AB, so you can say, therefore, you conclude, therefore, the distance AB is equal to 5 units. Is equal to 5 units. Okay, so that's how you find the distance between 2 points. Yeah, if you found this video useful, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm live, whenever I post a video, you are notified. Just a reminder, we are on the series of lessons on coordinate geometry. So this is lesson number 3. If you haven't watched the other videos where we discussed about how to find the missing coordinates given the midpoint, and also how to find the midpoint of a line segment, please go and watch those videos. Just click on the screens that have just that are showing right now. Okay, see you in the next video when we continue with the series of lessons on this topic. Goodbye.